a simpler way, but you can
Okay.
go on. Like go on. Then I'll tell you in the end.
Okay.
Oh,
What happened?
you'll get to know in like 5 seconds.
Oh my God. This I genuinely,
Hello.
I genuinely didn't know this. Unlike a Samay stream where everybody is given a script with lines, this is genuinely surprising.
What's
Hi
happening?
Tanmay.
Hello,
How are
hello,
you?
hello. Kya hal?
Tanmay
Mr.
OP in the
Tanmay.
chat.
Sorry, Kenny.
OP
I
in the
know
chat.
you were doing a session, but I had like 30 minutes free, so I thought I'll quickly come say hi.
I mean,
no,
you know how
please,
much I've been
always
stalking
welcome.
with it to get some time from
Yeah.
Oh,
What's going on?
It's
How's
so
your break?
funny. Oh yeah, yeah. I've been asking how you break. You not answered that. How was your break going?
Good. Very good. I've been
Okay.
sleeping. Mostly I've been sleeping. And yeah, it's been very nice. I've seen so much TV now. 1 years I didn't watch anything.
Oh, nice.
Up with like I finished almost House of Cards. I've almost finished.
Okay.
Just watched a bunch of shows. Yeah, now slowly I'll get back to work in some time. What's going on? Vidit, you were playing some tournament?
no. I was in Indore. Like I had to go for like a family like trip. Tha.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
I was there and I just came back last night.
Hey, Ken, your camera is looking so nice. Yeah, what camera is this?
This is my Sony cam, and I'm using the
Which one is the A6400?
No, this is my main cam, my A7.
Mirrorless
Oh.
wala
A7
A7.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
A7 III. So because I don't usually stream, I only set it up for the one stream I do in a week.
But you look so nice in it, yeah, Ken. Your skin is
thanks,
glowing
man.
and everything. You look. We'll talk after stream.
I feel Kenny is like,
I just had to wipe the steam from the webcam.
All right, what are you guys doing?
Also, I like the mic. क्या crisp आवाज आता है.
हाँ, no, I'm a
Podcast
sucker.
वाला mic है ना?
Yeah, I'm a
Which one
sucker
is
for.
it?
This is
Sure.
the S7B. It's same one, the one you have.
Hey, we both have the same mic.
Yeah, we're the same.
How is his crisper than mine?
कौन सा वाला है? कौन सा वाला है?
Hey, भला केनी मुझसे कड़क कैसे?
I don't know. I think
This is the Shure SMB71.
Oh, वो तो बहुत सही है यार.
SM7B, sorry.
Yeah, SM7B.
That's
Yeah.
really good.
यही sound है विदित. यही तो sound है.
Real like ऐसा रेडियो वाला फील आता है उसमें.
Hey guys, welcome to
Technical.
the 2 a.m. Love Guru show. आज हमारे साथ है नाशिक के आशिक.
नहीं. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. आपका है.
Ashik.
What are you guys playing?
So I was teaching Kenny like basic. I mean, I have not started teaching it. As just like getting the basics right, the foundation.
How good is Kenny with it?
He has improved a lot. He has been playing chess since the last week apparently, and he's also been watching some stuff. So he's talking about some box technique and stuff like that.
Careful, Kenny. It's a full it's a trap. Once you get into it, then you're here.
That's what I don't understand. All my adult life, I never got into it. And last week, now I can't stop. So it's very bizarre. I don't know
addictive.
if some drugs have been put in the air recently.
Tanmay bhai, have you been playing chess?
So I'll tell you, I've been trying to play every day, but I keep getting distracted, so I keep resigning. तो मेरा अपना rating almost 1000 पहुंच गया था, right?
हाँ.
अभी 850 हो गया.
अरे क्या?
Just been halfway through, I resign. I don't play properly.
क्यों ऐसा?
मुझे focus नहीं रहा है. चल ना game खेलते ना.
With Kenny you wanna play?
हाँ चल Kenny का खेलते.
Oh damn.
Kenny is already pressurized.
Okay, let's do
I'm
it.
not very good either, Ken.
Okay,
Kenny
let's
just
do it.
started out, basically, I would say, Tanmay bhai. So I don't know, but okay, you can play. खेलते.
I will play on. No, what's that?
हाँ खेलते. So I'll just tell Kenny ये जो है, I'll just tell him one thing. So this checkmate होगा नहीं तो कभी. So
I've been playing for half an hour. Yeah.
So can you go to move one like rook a6 check? Like directly you can click on the move one वहाँ पे.
Move one. Okay, this one. Huh. Got it.
Yeah. So can you go back थोड़ा? Rook a6. Yeah.
This one only, no?
नहीं उसके भी पीछे like starting position जो था ना.
How do I go to start?
Left arrow. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now the best thing is, you can take away squares.
Okay.
And you can take away a lot of squares at the same time. So let's say you play the move rook to a5.
Okay.
यहाँ पे. So what happens is now the king can never come up So you have eliminated that entire row. So now you have
Okay.
to push the king row by row back.
Okay.
इसमें सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं. Now this row is covered.
Okay, yeah.
So that's the watchman.
Yeah.
Rook on a5 is the watchman.
Oh,
now
so I
you
don't
bring the
touch
other
that
rook.
fellow.
Yeah,
Okay.
for now. So you bring
Okay.
the rook to h6.
Okay.
You give the check. Now this row is also cut, sixth wala.
Got it.
Yeah. So now
Yeah.
if the sixth row is cut by that rook, you know what to do, right? You have to bring the other rook to give a check.
Okay.
So rook g5. No. Go
Oh,
like
sorry.
दूर से check देना है.
Acha.
You can bring rook to g5, for example.
Okay. Rook to g5.
Yeah. Because you
Okay.
want to bring the rook to 7th rank. अभी
Okay.
a7 पे जा नहीं सकता, king मार देगा a7
Okay.
पे, right?
हाँ.
So
हाँ.
जितने दूर से check दोगे, king has very short space. Like it can only move one square at a time.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
you try to give a check from like the farthest possible square. So you bring rook to g5.
Wait, g5 or
This is very annoying about chess players, Kenny.
yeah.
I know. I still haven't figured it out.
I'm always counting only. So I'm like, okay, is it 8-7?
Thank you, Tanmay bhai, for that compliment.
It's very annoying. Like मैं देखता हूँ सागर भाई अपने stream पे, you know, if he now moves the bishop to a7, then the knight at b5 is stuck. Then how will he move? You know, from c3 to 11j, it's very complicated. And I'm like, मेरे को पहला sentence पे pause करना पड़ता है मेरे को.
You know, even the numbers, at least it's there. The worst is when you do a move, they're like, Rodriguez. And I'm like, what?
Rodriguez?
Filipino Vencasco. And like, what? No, you don't need to remember the moves. It's just opening by some guy.
Oh, the names of the...
in a cafe in 1471 during World War III. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so now you know कि जो h6 वाला rook है, very slow, I'm going very slow, is the watchman.
Oh, so I've shifted it. Okay.
Yeah, so now you bring the other rook to give a check.
So I put him to g7?
Perfect. And now that rook is the watchman, so it has changed. How do you
h8.
do it?
h8.
Yeah, simple. So now you don't even have to think. You just play and SE checkmate हो जाएगा next time.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
So I
My
think
watchman वाला फंडा cool है. That's actually a nice technique. Endgame में
सागर भाई ऐसे टर्म निकालते हैं ना कि वो फिट हो जाते हैं दिमाग में. सागर भाई एकदम जीनियस है. Okay, so let's play.
Wait, so are
See
we...
that rook, it's a watchman. तो समय ऐसा जाने का try करेगा ना, तो वो तो मतलब. And whenever Sagar bhai, whenever he comes to a place where either has to insult or he has to give a punchline, so he'll just trail off there. Hey, if Samay tries to enter, then then. Anyway, we have super chat from. Just moves on. Like, he's so cute. He's so
it's
adorable.
such a cute roast. It's like, if I did a party, you would not be invited. Hey, man. Hi.
That's actually true. Like the cutest roast he will do. उस दिन भी जब समय का गाना आया था, अरे रेटिंग 1600 हुआ था, 1300 नहीं. Technical faults.
It was too cute.
Okay.
Chalo, Kenny, I have sent you an invite on this on the Zoom on Zoom. On Zoom, I've sent an invite link.
Got it.
Kenny, can you stop the screen share?
Yeah,
So then
I'll do
I'll change the setting.
Where is my screen share?
Okay, I only stopped it.
Oh, thank you. That helps.
अरे let's give some odds to तन्मय भाई. ऐसे थोड़ी fair. 1-1.5 साल से chess खेल रहे हैं and then you come and
मैं 1-1.5 साल से कहाँ खेल रहा हूँ
कुछ
chess?
भी
What?
ऐसे थोड़ी
1-1.5 साल से
Is that
कहाँ खेल रहा
true?
हूँ मैं?
हाँ
Not at all.
What the heck?
you
Everyone
cannot
has
trust
started.
तन्मय भाई.
Everyone, including Vishwanathan Anand, started playing chess after Samay started streaming, right?
Yeah.
Like, let's all acknowledge this.
Let's all be real.
No, तन्मय भाई कुछ तो odds लेना पड़ेगा. ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा.
हाँ, बताओ क्या करना है?
So you cannot move one piece throughout the game.
Throughout the game.
Yeah,
I
throughout
have
the
just been tricked into playing with some grandmaster level. I genuinely believed
all.
where he said that
Kenny,
you do.
I have dropped 200 rating points the last 5 days. Which
यहाँ
piece?
पे
What
we'll
should be the
That
odds?
is my full rating.
chat बताओ क्या odds दे.
No queen sacrifice in beginning of game.
Like how confident are you?
Oh
Depends
my
on your
God.
level of
At all.
confidence.
I'm
I
already.
don't know how well Kenny plays, so I don't know.
I taught him last week. We learned the rules like castling on passant.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Deख, I just want to have
देखो
a
कैसे
good
खुश
30
हो गए.
minutes. Let's play.
तन्मय
Let's
भाई
play.
खुश हो गए. अच्छा
नहीं, I don't mind losing also. अरे यार अपने में हारने में क्या है यार?
अरे भाई,
चलो,
अरे अभी आप सेंटी हो गए.
अरे come, can click on the link. No, come. So
Yeah, it's like
I'll play without queen, is it?
एक रुक करते हैं, we'll
और
increase the odds.
टाइम आउट, जनता टाइम आउट्स भी बोल रही है.
टाइम odds आप करोगे कैसे? लाइक अगर 5 मिनट के नीचे आ गए तो हार गए ऐसा?
हाँ, ऐसा कर सकता है.
Great, you're
So I get
white
half
also.
time or what?
तन्मय भाई, what's your ID on
तन्मय भट्ट 2.
1 को क्या हो गया?
Hey, already started.
I don't, मैं password भूल गया.
Oh, okay. I
I
think
have
it's
to
there.
start it, तो game will get aborted.
Yeah, start, play. So you cannot move a rook.
So I have half time or what?
ठीक
Or
है,
3
time
minutes.
odds plus rook, ठीक है. So you can go down till 3 minutes. You cannot go below 3 minutes. ठीक है.
So I have 7 minutes in total.
Yeah, and you cannot move the 8 वाला rook.
8 वाला रुक. Okay.
Okay. Awesome. This is gonna be fun. अब मजा आएगा.
Okay. Oh yeah, I should take off the headphone, no? Are you going to be commentating over it?
हाँ, मैं करता हूँ, चलेगा. Commentate.
Okay, so.
But even I have to take off my headphone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because then I'll commentate, so you'll know the moves, right? So later on, I'll tell
Okay.
you what went wrong, what went right. Okay, guys, we have a match. We gave okay, so 3 minutes. Tanmay bhai can go only down till 3 minutes, and he cannot touch the 8 wala rook. Oh, sorry, A1 wala rook. Sorry.
Thanks.
Tanmay bhai is white. I forgot. That's the thing. Okay. Raki says, "Oh my God, I have a feeling it's gonna be my favorite stream. Kenny, Tanmay, and Vidit, the 3 Musketeers." Thank you, Raki. Yeah, Kenny and Tanmay both are like super chill and awesome people. But who will win this match is the question. I think Tanmay bhai will still
Not on
win.
that.
I think he'll still win. राकेश भाई को फोन करो क्या? या राकेश भाई को फोन करके पूछता हूँ. नेक्स्ट मैच के लिए ऑड्स का कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? D6 played. Okay. I think Tanmay bhai is too strong. Kenny has just learned the game. Okay, D3. He's playing good. If Kenny... Okay, how can Kenny win? That's the question. It depends on how much he has learned in the last 1 week. Okay, D4. That's a good move. Kenny will take on D4. I think odds matches are good stuff.
Gonna go off my horse.
The game. Okay, D3. He's playing good. If Kenny... Okay, how can Kenny win? That's the question. It depends on how much he has learned in the last 1 week. Okay, D4. That's a good move. Kenny will take on D4. I think odds matches are good stuff.
Gonna go off my horse.
Oh, D5, that's bad. Now he can just take it. अरे यार, क्वीन ऑड्स देना चाहिए था यार. नेक्स्ट मैच क्वीन ऑड्स करेंगे. Kenny played really well against Kusha. Oh, okay, really? Kenny has a strong endgame. Okay, interesting. I was just speaking to Kenny before going live, and he also said the same. Knight to B4. I think Tanmay bhai will just take on E5. Simple. मार देंगे E5 पे. Yeah, I think we have to give tougher odds, guys. Next match पे. White is Tanmay. I think you can see it, right? हाँ, I think you can see it. White is Tanmay bhai and black is Kenny. We'll give tougher odds. We'll have a contest. Bliss Space says, I want to see a game between Kenny and Kanan or Naveen with Biswa commentating. I only know Biswa and Kenny. I haven't interacted with Kanan or Naveen, but I think it should be possible. I feel like Kenny just started out, so it makes sense that we make a match between Kenny and someone who is also just started out, you know, तो fair होगा.
If he takes my rook.
Play hand and brain versus Tanmay. Rook e1. Okay, he plays e4. Tanmay will take. Rook takes pawn. I think this move d5 here was a big mistake. Like he just gave away a free pawn. And Tanmay bhai could have taken on e5 with the knight. He played rook e1. Knight f6. Okay, now the rook has to move back to e1. Hi Sarvan, Tanmay and Kenny. Kenny, I love your Simple Ken podcast. Okay, I will tell this. I'll pass on this message, Sarvan Kumarji, to Kenny after the game is over. Call समय. ठीक है, लिंक भेज देता हूँ मैं. समय के पास तो है वैसे लिंक. वो आएगा नहीं शायद से.
Oh.
बिजी है समय. Yeah, d6 check. Now it's like a attack on the king and the bishop. Kind of tough. It's already lost, guys. It's already lost. We have to give tougher odds to Tanmay bhai. Okay, guys, chat में मुझे बताओ what are the best odds to give for the next match. This game will finish very quickly. Yeah, it's too much difference, guys. Can you just start it out?
What can I do?
Hand and brain के लिए 4 जन
I
चाहिए
haven't
ना,
checked. Oh,
guys.
I haven't
You
checked.
need 4 people. I can be with Kenny. That's possible. I think hand and brain works
What can I
fine.
do?
And then we give also
What
odds.
can I do? Block him.
Faizan Khan says I should spend more time training because he's directly going into game.
Not
Yeah,
bad, I can do
true.
that.
True. I agree. This is a good move. He's fighting. Now d takes bishop is a very good move, attacking the queen and the rook. The knight can't take because it's pinned. Simple. Yeah, queen और rook दोनों मर रहे हैं. It's very tough. Time भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Interesting. Yeah. Tanmay is alone and time odds to Tanmay. This looks fun. I think we will do hand and brain in the next round. Done. Agreed. Let's do this. Yeah, I'll be the brain for Kenny, and maybe we'll not follow all the rules. Not follow all the rules.
Bro.
Oh.
Look at him. Oh no, I don't take my pawn.
I can feel how upset Kenny is. Next game we should do something. Thoda kuch fun. See you, Rick. See you. Thanks for joining in. You can guide him on how to spot the moves. Yeah, Nina. Let's do that. Yeah. I'll train him next round. Let's do that. Yeah. I'll explain the mistakes for sure. Done. I'll be Kenny's brain, guys. I'll not be his hand. I'll be his brain. Poor Kenny, he looks so...
Where's my queen?
Poor Kenny. Oh no, I feel bad. Yeah, I guess it's time to resign. Okay, how can I best do it? I'll be Kenny's brain.
Kennu Magu. Oh my God, Kenny's face. Oh, sweet.
तन्मय भाई ये क्या कर दिया आपने? ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है.
अरे, I didn't know actually. 1 second. Hang on. Should we still play? Should we still play?
No, we'll do one more. We'll do hand and brain. I'll be Kenny's brain in the next match, and we'll defeat you.
Okay. Should I sack my queen in this?
Rated game है ना? Just try to finish like fast खेल के, then we'll do a next game.
Oh, okay. Then
आपको भी बुरा लगा ना Kenny का expression देख के?
I think his face is like this, like. Oh, yeah. I didn't know. He just started.
Yeah, he just started out. So.
Yeah. But if he just learned the rules and everything, like he spotted, like, oh, I was attacking this and everything, But Queen, he sacrificed his queen. I don't know why.
I think already position खराब था ना, like that's why.
Can he see us? Can no?
Ken can see us. Ken can see us, but we killed his spirit. Oh no.
Pavam. He's Pavam boy.
He's Pavam boy, yes. Faizan will fix that. We'll fix that. I'll be Kenny's brain in the next match. I'll do that. Hey Ayushi. Oh man. I hope you're okay and the treatment went
headphone
fine.
has died. 1 second.
Ayushi, please take care. I'll definitely try to bring Sagar for sure. Take care, Ayushi.
Hello.
Yeah, Tanmay bhai.
Are we still playing? I thought Ken must have come out. But
Ken is like he can't hear us na. वही problem है.
I'm feeling mean now.
Yes.
I'm feeling mean. Someone tell Ken to come back.
Okay.
He's feeling mean.
Ken close the video.
Where did he go?
तन्मय भाई क्या कर दिया?
I'm calling him. अरे.
He's there. Probably his battery died off camera.
Maybe.
अभी आप Mate in 1 है आपके पास by the way. Just saying.
Game पे आता है इसलिए.
Oh, my camera stopped working. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm getting trashed here.
Kenny, next match I'll be your brain.
Okay.
We both will team up and then we'll.
Oh, Jesus
defeat them.
Christ.
Sorry.
Just trash the
my
shit
God,
out of me.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry with your lies.
I didn't know how you play. I just thought
Jesus
I'll play
Christ.
one and have fun. Sorry.
Yeah, I play ass whooped.
Oh, you just started. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not fair actually. I've been playing for way longer than you.
Exactly. Tanmay bhai has already
Is it
played-
more than 9 days?
yeah, way more. You've only been playing for 9 days. So sweet. Okay.
I mean, technically, I knew about chess, but I never played it.
So
Yeah,
Kenny,
I think like a couple of months you'll start getting way better. Like you'll be way.
Jesus, man. I was just like, okay, this is fine. I've been stabbed in 7 places, but it's still fine. Positivity. Rainbow at the end of the bridge.
No, but his opening and all, it felt like okay. So Kenny knows. नहीं तो when I was like when I just started playing like Kenny, मैं तो ऐसा कोई भी pawn आगे बढ़ाने का.
No, my opening also was stutty. I don't know what I was doing.
No, but you went for the center. Like you made one mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it
blocked my
defect.
own pieces only in the beginning. So
no worries. So how much can we cheat in the next round? Like how much can I tell Kenny?
How much can you tell Kenny?
Yeah. So we'll do a rematch. Okay. You will have time odds. And I'll be speaking
Hand
to
and
Kenny.
brain.
Hand and brain. But I'll
You'll be
not
Kenny's
only
hand.
yeah.
You'll be Kenny's brain.
I'll be Kenny's brain and I'll guide him. Okay. I'll not exactly tell him the move, but I'll take him
Guide
to
him.
the
हाँ वो
river.
हमको पता है वो हैंड एंड ब्रेन कैसा खेला जाता है वो पता है हमको वो सिर्फ नाम के लिए हैंड एंड ब्रेन होता है एक्चुअली ब्रेन हैंड सब कुछ एक साथ हो जाता है उसको हाँ I don't mind let's do it.
Let's do a rematch. By the way, Kenny, something to cheer you up. Message from a fan of yours.
Yeah.
I love your Simple Ken podcast. I really enjoyed the episode with Naveen. Do you have any plans to invite your subscribers for your podcast? Asked by Saravan Kumar.
Oh yeah, man. Maybe. I've been saying about doing Simple Ken live for a while. So maybe when I do that, I'll do it. I just need 1 minute to recover from the thrashing I got. if that's okay. If I can just take 1 minute to breathe. My seat is wet from all the sweating from my bum, which was thrashed so badly.
Don't
It's
make
cool.
me feel bad and all now.
Very
No,
good.
it's
Emotional.
it's like Tanmay saying, "Hey, you want to go? We'll go to a party." I'm like, "Cool." Then we go. It turns out it's the Olympics, and I'm taking part in the 100-meter race against Usain Bolt. And like,
Hey,
run,
you
no,
want
I'm like,
to do puzzles or what? Do you want to do puzzles?
no, please don't disrespect me like this.
Oh, puzzles are like one small thing.
Tanmay bhai is trying to make up in every
No, but
possible
can we do? Let's do the brain thing. That'll be fun. At least then I'll know how I should be thinking
Yeah.
pieces wise.
Yeah. we
So
we
can you do a
that.
15-minute match? क्योंकि फिर also it will give me time to speak to him. Like,
Okay, okay, let's
बात
so-
करके.
अरे मेरे को लगा अपना राकेश भाई के साथ सेटिंग हो जाएगा किधर ना किधर चलो
राकेश भाई अभी तक आए नहीं है.
Who's Rakesh Bhai?
He manages chess.com.
He is chess. He
Are
is
you
chess.
serious?
He
Yes,
is chess. We are all playing Rakesh Bhai actually.
Is his brain connected to the server of chess.com? Like
Yes.
when someone gets thrashed, he's like, yes. Good.
I've seen Kenny ka imagination is like next level.
Yeah.
Hey, so does what he owns chess.com? What is
No. He like chess.com is a US based company.
okay?
So
He
in
is
India,
Yes.
okay, we'll go with that. He's US.
He is US.
Why am I explaining?
That's too funny. So whenever you need extra time, they all call Rakesh Bhai from chess.com and he fixes it. So much so that I've gotten so used to it that whenever I need